This is how you turn on screen mirroring on your iPhone. Screen mirroring basically allows what's happening on your phone as far as media goes to be shared with something else. You can share your screen with an Apple TV, so you can see it on your TV, or your Mac laptop, or an iPad, or you can even share audio that you're playing on your phone with your Apple speakers. So to set this up, go into Settings, go to the main settings list, and then go to General, and then scroll down and find AirPlay and Continuity. Tap on that to open it. And here we have automatically AirPlay. And AirPlay is Apple's fancy term for screen mirroring, or even audio mirroring. So we have this set to automatic, which means that anytime the iPhone detects something that it can share its media with, it will. You can set this to ask. That's probably the safer method, or to never if you never want to use this feature. I'm going to put mine on ask. Now, whenever it finds something to connect to, it's going to ask, do you want to connect to this device? So you can transfer audio to your HomePod by turning that on and off. Now that that's turned on, if we swipe down from the top right to get to our control center, this little double rectangle, that's the screen mirroring or AirPlay app. If you don't see that there, tap on the plus in the top left, tap on add a control, and then screen mirroring's right there. You just tap on it, it's added to your control center. If you can't find it there, just tap up here to search, and you'll find it. And then once you have it, tap and hold on it, and it's going to try to find places to connect. Right now we're beside my computer, then I can mirror my screen to my computer just by tapping that, or whatever other device is on here. I find this really useful when you're trying to show something to a group of people and you have an Apple TV nearby, because you can just mirror to the Apple TV, and then you can all watch it on a much bigger screen, whatever it is you want to show people. There's lots of other use cases, but that's one of my favorites. If you have value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. It really helps the channel, and I really appreciate it. Then check out this video right here, which shows you how to empty the trash can on your iPhone. It's a super important video because you gotta empty the trash can once in a while. So check that out, and I'll see you there.